Welcome back. Today, you're going to learn one of the most useful sentences in all of Spanish. After this lesson, you'll be able to tell someone, it's time to go, it's time to eat, and it's time to sleep, immediately, with almost no grammar. Most Spanish learners can say, I want, I like, and I need. But real conversations need something else. You need a way to announce what is happening next. Here is today's startable. Es hora de, plus a verb. This means, it's time to. Spanish doesn't literally say, it's time to eat. Spanish says, it is the hour to eat. Es means it is. Hora means time. De means to. Comer means to eat. Es hora de comer. Here is the best part. After es hora de, you always use a verb in its base form. No conjugation. Never say es hora de como. Always es hora de comer. This removes a huge amount of stress for beginners. Es hora de comer. It's time to eat. You can use this at home, at a restaurant, or talking to family. Es hora de dormir. It's time to sleep. Parents say this every night in Spanish-speaking households. Es hora de trabajar. It's time to work. Perfect for mornings, even if you don't want to. Es hora de estudiar español. It's time to study Spanish. You now have a full real sentence. You can plug this into real life. Es hora de pagar las cuentas. Time to pay the bills. Es hora de limpiar la casa. Time to clean the house. Es hora de ir al gimnasio. Time to go to the gym. Native speakers often drop the S. They just say, hora de comer. Hora de dormir. If you hear this in a show, now you understand it. Now we upgrade it. Add the word ya. Ya es hora de dormir. Now it means, it's time to sleep now. This sounds very natural in Spanish. Listen to a real conversation. Tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Sí, es hora de comer. Yeah, it's time to eat. You just understood a natural Spanish interaction. Quiero dormir. I want to sleep. No, es hora de trabajar. It's time to work. You now have a real conversational tool. You didn't memorize vocabulary. You learned a speaking structure. In the next lesson, I'll teach you antes de, meaning before doing something. Combine that with today's lesson and you can describe your entire daily routine in Spanish. See you in the next Startables lesson.